Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about why this is probably my favorite trail in this entire trail system. Before I get too far into the video, if you guys enjoyed that intro, go ahead and leave a like. It helps me know if you guys are enjoying that type of content and if I should continue to do something like that in future videos where I'm talking about these trails. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I've got some bloopers that didn't quite make the final cut of the intro. Now, without further ado, we'll get into, I believe, my two top reasons as to why this is one of my favorite trails. Number one, which is kind of a giveaway because it's part of the intro, what motivated me to even think of that idea in the first place was just because of how this trail starts in general. It starts at the bottom of a road, at the bottom of this trail system, and to the naked eye, to most people that roll by it, it just looks like a hillside with a bunch of little climbs on it. But little do you know, there's actually an awesome trail sitting for you at the very top of those hills. And because of that little barrier to entry, I don't think this trail gets used quite as much as the other ones in this trail system. It's kind of a hidden gem in those terms. And that gets me into my second reason as to why I think this is one of my favorite trails to ride. It's so damn flowy. I am pretty sure that you're, for the most part, really moving in a straight line towards the next section of trail, but it just kind of goes back and forth, left and right, left and right. And sometimes there'll be, a left and then a little rut that you can pop over, or to the right and there'll be some, I guess, braking bumps, but I guess more so accelerating bumps, if that's a thing. And it just makes this trail so much fun. It's quite fast, and it's just a ton of fun to ride. Without talking too much more, I am going to let you guys enjoy the flow of this awesome trail for the next about 7 minutes. It's completely uncut and it's a ton of fun to watch. made it this far in the video, I know you're probably a big fan of watching GoPro footage just like me. So why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button. We're going to be doing a lot more videos like this, and hopefully in the future doing a little bit more vlog-like stuff. But until then, of course, I'll be releasing these and also snowmobile videos coming up in the winter. Also, just want to give a little bit of a shout out to my mom. She was the one riding with me this day, and was the reason why I had these cool little angles to show you guys. I know it wasn't easy for her to climb up on all these hillsides and record me, but I really appreciate it. I messed up on that I tripped. Yeah, one more. It's alright.
Okay.